The truth is, you can't conquer trading until you first conquer yourself. You can learn every strategy, master every indicator, and follow every guru online, but until you control your emotions, trading will always control you. Today, I'm not just teaching you how to win trades, I'm showing you how to win your mind, because that is the key to conquering trading, mastering your mindset before mastering the market. So right now, take a deep breath, sit back, and let me rebuild the trader inside you. Now, number one, conquer your emotions. You know what destroys trader faster than anything else is actually emotions. Fear, greed, impatience, they are the silent killer in trading. Not bad analysis, not the broker, and not even the market. I've been there. A lot of people has been there. Watching a trade go against me, my heart raised, my mind screaming, close it right now, close it, save yourself. Every time I gave in to emotion, I lost control of the plan. Every time I reacted, I made the wrong decision. Now, the secret is learn to calm in chaos. When fear whispers, you will lose. Reply, I am following my plan. And when greed tempts you to overtrade, remind yourself, patience builds wealth, not rush. The market is emotional, but your account doesn't have to be. More understood. So mastering your emotions is the first step to conquering trading, because once you control your mind, you control your results, and you also control your capitals. You know what it is? You also control your loss. Step number two, conquer your plan. A trader without a plan is like a pilot flying without direction. Can't conquer trading if you don't have a map. Many traders wake up and say, let me see what the market is doing. That is a recipe for confusion. Professionals don't guess, they prepare. What did I say? Professionals don't guess, they prepare. Your plan should answer 3 of these questions. What setup am I looking for? How much will I risk? And when will I exist? Once you've written it down, follow it religiously. The market rewards those who are consistent, not those who are lucky. Remember, the moment you stop following your plan, you start gambling, not trading. Now, to conquer trading, your plan must become your law. You don't trade feelings, you trade structure. Am I understood? And that takes us to number 3, conquer your expectations. I've seen too many traders come in expecting to turn $100 into $10,000 overnight or in 1 month. That's not trading, that is chasing fantasy. And when you expect in 1 month, that's not trading, that is chasing fantasy. When you expect instant results, every loss feels like failure. But real traders, they see losses as lessons. They understand that trading is a journey of consistency, not a quick sprint. The moment you let go of unrealistic expectation, your mind finds peace. You start thinking clearly, and when your expectations are aligned with reality, progress follows naturally. I'm understood. So don't expect to conquer the market overnight. Expect to become 1% better every day, right? That is how professionals are made. One discipline, step at a time. Now, step number 4, conquer your patience. You can't conquer trading without conquering time. The hardest thing in trading is actually waiting for the right setup, waiting for confirmation, waiting for your emotions to settle. Patience separates winners from gamblers. Am I understood? I've had trade that took hours to confirm and others that never came at all, and that is okay, right? Because you didn't lose money, because you didn't guess any trade. As a disciplined trader, I know no trade is also a position. You are not here to trade often, you are here to trade right. Now remember, your goal isn't to be active every time, it's to be accurate. Conquer your urge to always be in the market, and you will finally see the market work for you. Step number 5, conquer your losses. Every trader loses, but not every trader learns. A losing trade doesn't make you a bad trader, it makes you a real one. The best traders don't revenge trade. They review, they sit back, right? And take notes and ask, did I follow my plan? Was my entry valid? Did I manage risk correctly? That's what turns a $100 mistake into a $10,000 lesson. You must train your mind to detach from losses emotionally, because in trading, your losses are your teachers, not your enemies. Every red trade is preparing you for a bigger green one if you learn from it. Now, step number 6, conquer yourself. In the end, the market is just a mirror. It shows you who you really are. Am I understood? If you are greedy, it will review it, right? If you are fearful, it will also expose it. If you are disciplined, it will reward you. Am I understood? If the battle isn't on the chart, it's in your mind. Now, conquer your habits, conquer your emotions, and conquer your need for instant gratification. Because once you conquer, trading becomes effortless. Now, the market doesn't change, you do. Am I understood? And when you change, everything around you aligns. Now, you don't want to know the truth. Conquering trading isn't about predicting the market. It's about preparing yourself every day you wake up and face the chart. Remember, you are not here to beat anyone. You are here to master, the only trader that truly matters. You stay patient, stay consistent, stay humble, because the ones who conquer themselves eventually conquer trading. And if this message spoke to you, right, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and share the video. And remember, your mindset is your greatest weapon. Protect it, grow it, and it will reward you beyond what money ever could. Stay disciplined, and I will see you again next time. If you want to join my Telegram community, the link is at the description, where I share signal and I also teach you guys how to trade. And if you want one-on-one mentorship, the link is also at the description. Click on it and see you in the other side of life. Peace.